Para ka binigyan ka ng blanco cheque dyan, o sige, bahala na kung anong ilagay ninyo.
2025 national budget nagmukhang fill in the blanks.
In the same manner, yung mga blanco-blanco dyan, whatever or whoever corresponds to that particular item is free to just fill up the amount. That is not, by all commandments of the law, that cannot be valid.
Paano yan naaprobahan na?
President Bongbong Marcos signs into law the 6.3 trillion peso national budget for 2025. Marcos signs the 2025 budget in a ceremony in Malacañang on Monday, December 30. The budget initially amounted to 6.352 trillion pesos but was reduced to 6.326 trillion pesos.
Kaya pala todo palakpakan nung nasiguro nila na napirmahan na. Bahala na sila maglagay ng amount doon sa mga blanco.
While the final version of the budget reflects many of our shared priorities, some provisions required careful scrutiny.
Careful pala, bakit pinalusot yung mga blanco?
We take our role as stewards of our taxpayers' money seriously.
Hindi totoo yan. Bola lang yan.
The appropriation of public funds must not break the public trust.
Kumusta naman kayo? Naniniwala ba kayo na walang anomalya sa 2025 national budget?
Pagkaputol-putol yan o may kulang, that is not a valid budget. It's not only inaccurate, but I think the budget is in totality invalid.